Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher, and I thought I would start a weekly video update. I send a weekly email to my list on Accordion Love, but I thought let me share it on YouTube just because I think we have a bit of a wider audience. So I'll share my screen. A student asked a question about the song Dona Dona. There is the song in the lesson, but I did a video about how to sync your hands together on Dona Dona. I'll share this video publicly. I'll link it in the description. Yeah, the lesson applies to more generally about hand coordination. While we're here, I do have a guide about how to coordinate your hands together on the accordion. I call it the Guide to Hand Independence. And I added this video to the bottom, syncing hands on Dona Dona, so you could see it in action. Great guide if you're looking for help on syncing your hands together on the accordion. Also this week, someone had a question on the accordion subreddit. Can the bass part of La Valse à Olu be played on the piano accordion? So I'll link again in the description. This is my video response. It's a really quick video, 2 minutes, about the left hand for this really beautiful waltz. So check that out. The other thing we did this week was I started to improve the Christmas unit over on Accordion Love. So we have more songs. We have God Rest Ye Merry Gentlemen, Silent Night. These all have new tutorials. We Wish You a Merry Christmas, We Three Kings. If you're looking for a beautiful minor waltz, it's over there. This is We Wish You a Merry Christmas. Obviously the performance, the lesson, and the sheet music. We Three Kings, again, a beautiful minor waltz on the accordion. That's a Christmas carol. And then the last bit is under the basics. I've added a new video called Bringing Clarity to Your Right Hand. It's a video that shows you, it's purely a right hand exercise, how to make your right hand sound clear and smooth. What I oftentimes see with new students is a little bit of hesitation in the right hand because of the excitement of wanting to incorporate both hands, but this is an exercise, really simple and straightforward exercise on how to bring clarity to your right hand. All this and more on Accordion Love. If you're there, check out the forums. There's lots of activity there. I'll leave links in the description to the publicly facing videos, and otherwise you can sign up for a free 3-day trial on accordionlove.com. I hope to see you there. Enjoy. Thank you.